Right, so in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to search filters on Instagram. So let's say you're posting a story or a reel and you want some specific filter. Here's how to find them. So let's go and assume you're posting something. So it's different slightly between stories and reels. Now, if it's a story you want to post, just select stories and then you can see the filters on the right hand side of your shutter button. And if you scroll and keep scrolling all the way to the end, you will see the search function. And if you tap on it, it's going to open this up. And then you can scroll and look for a specific filter. You can see some trending filters. You can go to appearance. But more importantly, you can go to the search function on the left hand side and look for a specific filter. So for instance, if you want glossy like this, you can tap on it and select it and use it. Okay, and you can even see the preview right there. So you can see it. I look a bit glossy. It's yeah, it looks bad. So that's basically how to find it. I'm just gonna cancel that for now, and then scroll down, and then let's assume you want to post an Instagram reel. So I'm gonna go to the plus symbol again, go back home, and then go to reels. So for reels, it's different. So if you go to the camera app, you will see this menu on the left hand side. Tap on effects, and then that's again going to bring up this page where you can still search for specific filters that you're looking for. So let's go ahead and search for that glossy filter again, or we can choose maybe a 4K filter, just like that. And once you choose a filter that you want, you can now tap on it and it's going to be selected like that. And then now you can use that 4K filter. So let's see what that looks like. There you go. So that's what it looks like. So that is basically how to search filters on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, talk to us down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like, possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you in the next one. Good luck.